Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to take a before video of this 2011 F150 that we're going to be working on today. This truck is actually going to be getting a new set of wheels and tires. So he's going to be going from the 18-inch wheels that are on the truck to a 20. He's going to be sticking with chrome, and the tires, he's actually going to be doing something similar, a highway tire. He doesn't want anything aggressive like an all-terrain or an off-road, which is totally cool. Not everything truck-wise needs that kind of tire. So you can see these things are absolutely beat. They're dry rotted. The outer edge, he needs an alignment. So he already needed the tires anyway, so it's really just the extra money is for the wheels. So it's going to make a huge difference on this truck. So like I said, we'll finish this up today. We'll take another video and show you the after. All right guys, thanks.